This is the experiment number E03, testing of polyphase induction motors, including single-phasing conditions. Here, these are the equipments we need to use, including the three-phase induction motor, and these are 2 watt meters, and here is the three-phase variac, and this is the multimeters with a current clamp meter. Also, we have circuit breaker. So firstly, we need to copy the information of the motor from the motor nameplate, especially for the rated voltage and the current of the motor. So then we should connect the circuit as shown in figure 1. Firstly, we just we connected the motor with delta connection. Right. Yeah. Then we should use the variac to supply energy to the motors and connect the voltmeters in the circuit. Okay, then we can turn on the switch. So we need to increase the voltage and which is supplied to the motor. So we have the power meter to trace the voltage and the current, and we increase the voltage to 110% of the rated value. We have gotten the information from the motor nameplate. The rated voltage is 220. So we should set the voltage to about 242. Okay. And then we need to record the line currents and the input power and the voltages. So currently the voltage is 242. And for the line currents, we can use the current climb meter to test. We can do like this, and we can see the current from the power meter. And this is the IR, which is the current of the right line. And so we can do the same to test the yellow line and the current of the blue line. So we should record all the line currents, and for the input power, we need to read the values from the power 2 voltmeters. And so let's say the voltmeter, and we have the two buttons for change the enlargement factor of the current and the voltage. So, and there are two indicator lights. We should change the enlargement factor to make them turn off, so that we can get the right record of the voltage. And we should adjust the button to make the pointer in the middle of the screen, so that we can get correct record. And currently the record is about 0.38, and we can get the power by use the record from the screen, multiply the enlargement factors of the current and the voltage. Currently is 2 and 500 respectively. So we know the current power is 0.38 multiply 2 and multiply 500. Okay, for the second voltmeter, we can see the pointer is below 0. And we can see here there are two buttons, which is the right one is the reverse. So we should turn on the reverse value to change the direction of the current, and also we adjust the button to make the light off and get the record of the power B. And it should be 0.15 and multiply 2 and multiply 500. Okay. So then we decrease the supply voltage and to 222. Then we also record the line currents, input power, and the voltage, and we repeat these two steps until the voltage is decreased to 22. So then we can get the record as shown in the paper. Okay, and we finished the no load test. Okay, let's go to stage 3. So we need to connect the current breaker as shown in figure 2. Firstly, we should turn off the switch and also the energy supply side. Then we can connect the breaker. Okay, let's say currently the status of the breaker is on, and we increase the supply power to the rated voltage, which is 220. Okay, then we need to record the current in line as I have shown before. Use the clamp meter to get the line current, and then we need to get the winding current. The winding current is the current which should be tested here. So we can say it should be the current between red and blue. So we can find this line which connect the blue side and also the red side. So this is IRB. So we can use the current meter to get the value, and then the blue and yellow, which is similar. So this is the blue side and this is the yellow. So we can get the current value, and also the yellow and red. Okay, then we switch the breaker to off, and again we test the line currents and the winding currents and record these values. That's all. Stage 4, the located rotor test. We should turn off the electricity supply first, and then we need to lock the rotor shaft. Okay, and then we turn on the switch, and slowly increase the electricity supply to get the rated current flow, and it should be 3.46. We should be careful because the rotor shaft is located, so this is the electricity supplied to clutch. The motor will be damaged. Okay, now we just get the calculated the current and then we should record the line currents and the winding currents. And I have before value of this current. This is for the line current and the winding current. Also, we need to record the power from the water meter and we should adjust the enlargement factor to get the right record. So, okay, after that we just switch off the breaker and get all the currents and the powers again. Okay.